How to lock home screen layout on Android device. Locking your home screen layout will prevent from the changes made on your home screen. Suppose if you want to delete some of the app and if your application is locked, then you'll not be able to do that. So for that, you can simply hop into the settings on your Android device and then select the option of home screen and lock screen. Once you get access to this page, you will see different kinds of options, but what we need here is to locate lock home screen layout option. So as you can see, which is underneath icon pulled down gesture option, you simply need to toggle on the button of lock home screen layout. Now we'll not be able to change the home screen mode, home screen layout, and icon autofill and many more options and the changes. So once you have done that, it will prevent the whole home screen layout from being changed. So that's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.